Good morning everyone, hope everyone's well. We're in a brand new project in Shrewsbury. It's a really iconic place where we are. There's views all the way around us, really iconic area to be truthful. What we'll be doing is, you can see where the spray line is there, we'll be cutting that all out with the still saw, removing these bits of the old York stone, and then what we'll do, we'll start clearing this area. We're going to have a rather large reservoir sinking into this area here, and then what we'll do then, we'll have a patio bowl which will be hung from some chains and some posts, and that'll have a flow into the reservoir at the bottom, and then we'll have a small little mystery waterfall coming through here as well. So this will be a really beautiful project to be a part of, and I cannot wait to get this one in the water. In the water? In the ground. So let's have a go. Well, just finished this job in Shrewsbury and we're absolutely thrilled with it. What we've got here is two patio bowls. We've got a 40-inch patio bowl and a 32-inch patio bowl. One's hanging up a really nice, stunning looking posting system. It's all been burned to make it look even older and older. We've got a 2 full waterfall here. We've got LED lights absolutely everywhere. We've got one in the main waterfall there, one by the stagehorn here. We've got one there as well. We've got one just behind there as well, and there's one just behind the stag as well. So on a night we're looking at absolutely stunning water feature, and it'll absolutely look like it'll be gorgeous. Absolutely stunning and beautiful. We really are going to now this came out, so it took us just around about 4 days from start to finish, and we're absolutely thrilled. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.